Hey guys, it's me, Hugh Manson. I'm actually in a tent right now because I'm camping. As you can see, it's a bit windy and yeah, we're just at the beach. So yeah, oh my god, the tent's shaking. But I'm just gonna go outside and I'll show you the view. Just unzip. Okay, that's the wrong zip. Okay, got it. Okay, out we come. Oh, it's so nice in here. Oh. At the beach.
Do you need a hat?
We got the tent set up, you know, it's really horrible weather out here. It's really struggling, so I'm gonna go back into the tent. Yeah, so that's what's happening in my life. Just some camping. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.